Hello, today I'm in Mitsubishi ASX. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Thanks to this panel you can increase and decrease radio volume, change radio station and change radio source. If you press right here, of course you will use horn. On the right side, you've got the panel thanks to which you can enable or disable cruise control. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can enable Google Assistant or Assistant.
Ready.
We can answer and end the calls. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.